Tigers, it's Mrs. McCarver, and it's time for today's writing lesson. Today, for our writing lesson, I'd like to talk to you about something you have in your classroom or at home that can help you when you're writing your pattern books. In our classrooms, we have these displays called word walls. You'll notice it has each letter and then pictures or words that show words that start with that letter. If you notice, lots of the words that are on our walls right now are high frequency words that we've been practicing and can read in a snap or as soon as we see them. So sometimes we call them sight words. The things you have at home that can help you with this are your word cards. You've gotten these cards from your teacher and maybe you've cut them apart to practice reading or finding in your books. So today, this is what we're going to talk about using when we create our pattern sentences for our pattern books. Let me show you on the camera how I will do this. Okay, Tigers, I've got my things ready to start my new pattern book. I have a pattern book and a pencil, and I'm going to use my word cards to help me figure out which high frequency words I'm going to use in my pattern. If you're at school, you might need to check the word wall. Today I'm going to write a pattern book about a dog because I want to tell everybody all about my dog. I'm thinking my pattern sentence is going to say, the dog is. I know that two of those words are words we've been practicing, so I'm going to see if I can find the. Oh, look, here's is. I'm going to keep that one, and I'm going to look and find the. I need the and is for my sentence. So I can use these word cards, or I could find them at school on the word wall to help make sure I write these words correctly each time. My pattern is going to say, the dog is, and then tell you about something different about the dog on each page. So first, I need the dog is, and then I'll tell you about the dog. So my first word is the. I see the letters T-H-E. I'm going to start with an uppercase T because it's the first letter in my sentence. And I can write it right away. The, then I'm going to leave a space. Now I need to write the word dog. I don't have that on the word card. Maybe it's on your word wall at school. I don't know it, so I'm going to say the sounds. D, A, G. D, A, G. The dog is. I'm going to leave a space and write the word is. The dog is. The first thing I was going to tell you is the dog is big. Big. The dog is big. Now, on my next page, remember, I'm going to have a pattern that repeats. So I need that word again. I already wrote it once. The dog is. Oh, another thing about this dog is loud. It barks a lot and it's really loud. So that's what I would keep going, how I would keep going to write my next pattern sentence too. I'm going to use these high frequency words or words from the word wall to help me so I can write them quickly. Today, I'd like you to try to use the word wall or your high frequency word cards to help you figure out the pattern for your book.